What is the difference between ice and Biofreeze? I get this question a lot. Hey doc, can I use Biofreeze if my back bothers me at night? I say, yeah, you could use Biofreeze. It helps to decrease your pain levels. It has menthol, which stimulates a sensory response inside your skin, which helps block some of the nerve firing. It doesn't change anything what's going on with the inflammation. That would be better for ice, because ice actually helps change what's going on physiologically with the cells and the tissue in the area when you have an injury. So if you're at home and you're just sitting around, use ice. If you're at the grocery store and you're running around, use Biofreeze. Biofreeze and ice should not be used together. It's one or the other.